Hello and welcome to HyBiz Tv. This is Chaitanya Muddam. Oben Electric, one of India's most awaited two-wheeler EV startup, has raised an additional $1 million in funding from Mr. Krishna Bhupal, board member GVK Power and Infra, Mr. Shajikumar Devakar, executive director IIFL Wealth and other investors. Having received $1.5 million in December 2021, led by V Founder Circle WFC, the startup has now been oversubscribed 3 times, making it one of the largest seed rounds raised by an electric two-wheeler startup. Oben Electric will use the capital raised to expand their business capacity, set up a bigger manufacturing infrastructure, accelerate new product development, expand experience centers, and strengthen their distribution plans as the foundation to create the platform for the coming period to create value for the business in the ecosystem. Mr. Krishna Bhupal said the EV ecosystem is at the cusp of the next revolution in automobiles, and Oben Electric has the people, skills, technology and product to scale in what is potentially a global market-making opportunity. As a philosophy being an angle or early stage investor, we look for people and their capability to create path-breaking business, and Oben met the investment criteria of our office. The electric two-wheeler growth in India is at a very early stage and ripe for disruption, with the GOI playing the role of a catalyst with tax breakers and other incentives. We believe the Oben Electric team has that edge in the business due to their deep IP and patient portfolio of 16 patients with a product that represents what the consumer needs in a two-wheeler country like the rest of Asia. Elaborating on the funding, Mr. Dinakar Agarwal, co-founder Oben Electric, said, "We have raised a total of $2.5 million as a part of our seed funding. Our products are a proud accomplishment of the Made in India story." Thank you for watching HyBiz News.